Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to make a tool that's going to help you get a razor edge on your knives. A lot of people know about it and a lot of people don't. So I'm going to show you how to very easily make a strop. Sharpening knives is not hard if you know how to do it. I personally use the Lansky Stones system, but when you're done with that, you want to take a strop and you want to strop your knife. That's how you get that hair popping razor edge. You know, the old time barbers, when they were using straight razors before they got the disposable ones, they had a big piece of leather on their side of their chair and they would strop their straight razors. So to make a strop, we're going to start out with this piece of pine. You can use whatever wood you got, plywood, anything, okay? And you're going to need a piece of leather. Now this one's going to be relatively small. You don't have to make them huge. You want to make them wide enough though that you can get a good sized blade on it. And I prefer to use a vegetable tanned. I don't know if you could use the chromium tanned stuff, but I would recommend the vegetable tanned. So the first thing we're going to do is, this wood is nice and smooth. We're going to get some glue, just regular contact cement. And we're going to contact cement this on. So let me get that set up and we'll continue. Alright, so I just have this Wellwood contact cement. You can use whatever type of glue that you have. You just get an idea how far I got to go. You basically put this on both sides, wait for it to dry to the touch, and then stick them together. Alright, so we're going to put that on that side, and then we'll do the same thing on the leather, and when that's ready, I'll bring you back. Alright, so it's not tacky anymore, so we're just going to take the two pieces. Don't worry about lining anything up right now because we're going to sand everything smooth. Get them on there, press it down, put a weight on it, and just wait about a half an hour, and then we'll be back. Alright, so that's nice and firmly attached. So now what we're going to do is we'll just make a little shape, something like this. Just a little handle shape. So I'll just take that over to the scroll saw, cut that out, and I'll bring you back. Alright, so there's just a rough shape, and I'm just going to take this over to the belt sander and just clean it up a little bit. Alright, so just a little bit of hand sanding, and we'll take it to the next step, which is I'm going to place this flat on the belt sander and just face this off. So it's pretty boring, and I'll bring you back when I got the hand sanding. So I cleaned it all up. You may notice it's a little longer than the other one. Remember I was telling you I was going to face it? Well, you got to be very careful. I use about a 240 sandpaper because I like to make sure it's perfectly flat. And this one had way too many divots in it. It just wasn't flat on top. And I broke through it. So I ripped it off, put another piece on. Then I just ran my beveler along the edges, and so the next step is you're going to need some kind of compound. So they come, these are the ones I use on my polishing wheels, and they come in basically different grits, for lack of a better word. And the black one, the Emery Cake, is for the heavy cutting. Then you have the brown, the Triple E brown, which is for like aluminum, brass, blah blah blah. Then you have white, and then you have red. Okay, red is the, basically they call it jeweler's rouge. So that's the least abrasive. Then there's another one that's actually green. That's the preferred one to use on the strops. But I use the red 99% of the time, and it works well for me. So let me show you how this does work. I'm not going to put it on this one yet, but... So basically you take your piece of your strap and you're gonna rub some of the compound on it. I like to get it all worked in there. Sometimes I'll even rub it in with my fingers. And then you're gonna take your knife. I don't have a knife on me. Let me grab this one over here. Give me 1 second, grab a knife. All right, so basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold this on a slight angle and you're just gonna pull it down. Turn it around, do it the other way. Try to do it the same amount on both sides. So again, if you had the rouge on here, you're gonna go this way, you're gonna go this way, and that's how you get that razor hair popping edge on your knives. So you go, another little project. This was fun to make, and like always, everyone, I appreciate your views and I appreciate your comments. I hope you're all having a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.